When was the last time you reached into the cupboard for a snack? Whether it's hidden in a secret stash or away from arm's reach, it still somehow makes it into your stomach. Luckily for you, we have snacks that are not only delicious but carry a number of health benefits. Here we have a list of the healthiest snacks that can help you during your weight loss. But before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications for future updates. Let us know in the comments section below the types of snacks you consume as a part of your diet. Grapefruit. Foreign to most people, this fruit has more health benefits than you can imagine. It caters the daily requirement of vitamin C for women in just one fruit, with an average caloric intake below 100. A recent study conducted found that an average woman managed to lose up to 3.5 pounds over the course of 3 months when eating one grapefruit after every meal. How is this possible, you may ask? Well, grapefruit has fat-burning properties, and it does this by lowering the levels of insulin, which is one of the main catalysts for enhanced fat burning. Essentially, as grapefruit stabilizes energy levels and insulin levels, the body is able to maintain a more stable energy state. Yogurt. Flavored yogurt often delivers lots of added sugar and extra calories and therefore must be avoided. However, whole milk and low-fat plain yogurt are healthier options for those trying to lose weight, especially those that contain bacteria. Good bacteria found in yogurt can aid digestion in the gut for better absorption of nutrients and the production of vitamins. Therefore, having a fully functioning digestive system is essential for weight loss. Researchers found that adults who ate 3 servings of fat-free yogurt a day as a part of their diet lost 81% more fat in the stomach area than non-yogurt eaters. Popcorn. A must-have when watching a late-night movie with the missus. Truth be told, the calorie intake sounds even better. 1 ounce serving of 3 cups of popcorn has 4 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, and clocks in at 100 calories. For such a huge portion, the calorie intake is surprisingly low compared to a bag of chips. Because of its low calorie content, low energy density, high fiber content, and increased satiety, eating popcorn may help you eat fewer calories and lose weight. However, moderation is key. Even though it is a lot more filling than many other snacks, it can still be fattening if you eat too much of it. Dark chocolate. Starving from the best things in life isn't always the best way forward. Therefore, a little dark chocolate isn't so bad once in a while. Monosaturated fats present in dark chocolate are known to boost metabolism, which stimulates the body to burn calories much faster. Studies have also shown that dark chocolate affects the way our body synthesizes fatty acids, which reduces the absorption of fats and carbohydrates. Smoothies. Although smoothies can be a delicious way to grab nutrients on the go, they aren't always the healthiest. Depending on the ingredients, smoothies can be loaded with sugar and fat. However, there are a number of homemade smoothie recipes that are not only chock full of nutrients, but can help shed some pounds. This is achieved by choosing specific ingredients that help aid digestion, burn fat, decrease inflammation, and so much more. You can create a weight loss smoothie that won't have you reaching for something to eat an hour later. For example, a raspberry smoothie bowl packed with berries and beetroot is a great option for those losing weight. Whey protein shake. This isn't the most obvious of choices for most people, but it can be used as a snack for those trying to lose weight. Studies have shown that regular intake of whey protein can help you gain muscle, lose fat, and improve body composition over a period of 1 month. Mixed nuts. Despite being relatively high in fat, there is no need for you to avoid them. The structure and high fiber content of nuts allows a good proportion to pass through the gut undigested. As a result, some nutrients such as fat won't be absorbed and are instead lost as feces. Several research studies have suggested that eating nuts in moderation can help you lose weight. 1 ounce serving of nuts has only 164 calories, 4 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of protein. Therefore, nuts provide the perfect balance to your diet. Oatmeal. Why not grab a delicious packet of unsweetened instant oatmeal to start your day? Oatmeal is essential in providing complex carbohydrate, one that provides the body with slow-releasing energy and keeps you full for longer without having to grab a sugary snack. Oatmeal also contains beta-glucan, which promotes the release of peptide tyrosine and a hormone produced in the gut in response to eating. The satiety hormone has been shown to reduce calorie intake and may also decrease the risk of obesity. Hummus. Why not prepare yourself a healthy snack of sliced veggies dipped in hummus? One of the many ways to replace the afternoon munchies. Hummus is traditionally made with sesame seed butter called tahini, which contains a fair amount of monosaturated fats and has the ability to help promote weight loss and reduce belly fat. Monosaturated fats are a popular substitute for trans and polyunsaturated fat, which otherwise causes weight gain and increased belly fat. Don't forget, too much of anything is bad for you and can be detrimental to your weight loss. The snacks mentioned should naturally limit you from overeating and can easily fit it in any diet possible. Therefore, implement them as you wish. Just make sure they are rich in fiber, proteins, minerals, and vitamins, and you won't see yourself arms deep in a bag of crisp.